Hello guys and welcome to Plus Equal. Today we'll talk about scaling in Unity. So let's begin. Let's create a game object. I'll put the cube right here so you can try it out. So to scale you have this shortcut here, this button, or you can press R in your keyboard. So let's click on the scale tool and we have the axis here, the usual axis. So you can grab one axis like this and you can scale it. It's just this simple. You can also grab the object in the middle, and that means that we'll get the three axes at the same time. It's better if I just do it like this so you can see. We have the cube with a scale of 1 1 1. You can also input the values here. Oops, let's put it to 2, so we double the scale of the object. You can also put values here like this, or like this, and now we have a wall. So it's ideal you know this so you can prototype your games in Unity. But we have another tools to actually prototype faster. We may do a video about that in the near future, so don't worry about that for now. Let's actually make a challenge here. Let me just delete this and create a new one. Let's try to make the Plus Equal logo here in Unity. So Plus Equal will be something like this. First let's draw the plus sign. Okay, let's put it to this side. Put it into the isometric perspective. And now we just need to double this. So Control D or Command D if you are a Mac. And when you are rotating, press Control to have your angles lined up. Sometimes the angles will get like this. You can just input there the right value. Okay, and that's our plus sign. And now we just need the equal sign. So we'll duplicate this cube here, push him to this side. Okay, seems nice. Grab it down a little bit. Okay, seems good. Control D. Okay, that looks pretty nice. You can move all the game objects if you select them in the scene. And remember that you can scale all of them. Now that we are talking about scaling the game objects, are on our keyboard or go to scale tool. Okay, let's put it like this and hit play to see our little logo. Okay, it seems nice. If you want to see the logo like this, you can go to the main camera and put the projection mode into orthographic, and we can see the logo in 2D. So yeah, seems that Unity also let me create my logo. Just lined up the scene with the intensity of the light and changed the background to solid color and black, and I seem to create my logo in Unity for the first time. So you can create something like this with primitive shapes as well. You see the logo is in 3D here, but since we changed the perspective, it seems 2D. So go around, mess up with Unity, don't be afraid to change things. You can always reset, create new projects or whatsoever. So in the next video we'll talk about parent and child relationship in Unity. For example, this could be a child game object called plus sign, and this could be the equal sign. So we'll get into that in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next time.